So class, last class we stopped until here. I asked you to try by yourself on how to solve by using substitution method, penggantian, and elimination method, penghapusan. So for now, let's solve the first one. Okay, let's focus for this one. First thing first, let's rename. This is 1 and this is 2, the second equation. The problem for this part is we have to find which topic you want to use. Okay, you can choose or use X as your topic or Y, but before that you have to think. If you use Y, okay, here you have Y square. Later on you have to expand the equation. What if we use X? So if you look here, X is just only a linear. So we just later on multiply the number into the equation. Okay, that's all. This is how we determine our topic. So from 1, since 2x plus y equals to 4, okay, I'm choosing x as the subtopic, so my x become 4 minus y over by 2, and I name this as my third equation. And I'm going to substitute, okay, we are using this method into the second equation. So y square plus 5 equals to 4. My x is 4 minus y over by 2. So 2 and 4, so become 2. I'm going to expand inside the bracket. So become y square plus 5 equal to 8 minus 2y. Here, okay, we can see that this seems like general equation of, we can make into the general equation of quadratic. So ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So manipulate your equation. Later on it become y squared plus 2y plus 5 minus 8 equals to 0. Y squared plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, the word solve here, meaning that you have to find the value of the unknown. How are we going to solve is, we can use the method on how to solve the quadratic. We have such a factorization. This is the same simple one, okay, completing the square. And formula. You can choose any method, okay, in order to solve. So since the number here is very simple and I just can factor out without any doubt, so I'm going to use factorization. Y plus 3, y minus 1 equals to 0. And I found out y equals to negative 3 or y equal to 1. Here, okay, let's continue here. The word solve, okay, we have done to solve y, okay, but what is our x? Okay, note that from our third equation, we have x equals to 4 minus y over by 2. So from here, we can substitute the value of y into the x so that we can find the partner, the solution. So when my y equals to negative 3, my x is equals to 4 minus negative 3 over by 2. it becomes 7 over by 2. And when y equals to 1, my x equals to 4 minus 1 over by 2, it is equal to 3 over by 2. So the conclusion is this: the solution are when my x is 7 over 2, my y is equal to negative 3. And when my x equals to 3 over by 2, my y equal to 1. Finish. Okay, we are going to move to the next equation. Okay, here, by using the elimination method, I'm going to split the space. As usual, let's rename the equation. So this is my first equation and this is my second equation. So what does it mean by elimination? Penghapusan. Seems like you have to find the same coefficient so that you can eliminate both. When I look here, okay, I have x and this is x squared. I have y and this is 2xy. I can multiply this equation with x so that I can get x squared and I can eliminate with this. But then we have another trouble to the number still did not solve, okay? But I can see that, okay, when my first equation multiply by this variable, okay, I can eliminate them easily, okay? For example, from my first equation, I multiply with 2x, so it become 2x multiplied by 2x, 4x squared, plus 2x multiplied by y, 2xy equal to 2x multiplied by 4, 8x. And I'm going to copy the second equation, which is given as x squared minus 2xy equal to 3. I'm going to choose the operation of plus. So 4x squared plus x squared become 5x squared. And this number, since the coefficient are same and it has opposite operation, so we can just eliminate them together. So it is equal to 8x plus 3. As usual, let's make them into general form of quadratic. So it becomes 5x squared minus 8x minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, same goes to the other method. In order to solve, you can choose factorization, completing the square formula. I'm not going to use the completing the square because we have 5 here, the coefficient 5. You have to eliminate 5. Okay, later on it become a fraction of 8 over by 5, 3 over by 5. Now I'm not going to make my equation seems like complicated one. I'm going to choose the formula, okay, the shortcut one. So the formula given as x equals to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over by 2a. By listing down, my a is 5, b is -8, c equals to -3. Let's substitute into the formula. -8 plus minus square root of -8 square minus 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by -3, all the denominator over by the denominator of 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, do your own calculation, because finally, okay, check with me, you will get 1.9136. Okay, this is our first x, or another x is x equals to -0.3136. As usual, when my x equals to 1.9136, from my first equation, it says that 2 multiplied by x, so multiply by 1.9136 plus y equals to 4, and I will get y equals to 0.1728. And another x is given as -0.3136. Okay, this one. And again, from the first equation, 2 multiplied by -0.3136 plus y equals to 4, and I'll get my y equal to 4.6272. So my conclusion, therefore, hence, you can use many words, okay? The solutions are, when x is 1.9136, my y is 0.1728. And when my x equals to -0.3136, my y equals to 4.6272. Okay, thank you.